Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can accept follow requests on Twitter. So that's a very simple thing to do. You just tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, launch this little slide-in menu, and among the options to your left, you'll find a very last one that says follower request. So enter it. And at the following page, you'll have all the follower requests that you have. In order to accept, one, just tap at this, tick or check sign in front of a Twitter profile name. And just like so, we have successfully accepted a follow request. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.